Quick and easy salsa fresca. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. And we all really need the old ways these days. This is a great recipe you can make straight out of your garden or farmer's market with a few additions. Four medium tomatoes, diced. One 4-ounce can of sliced black olives that has been drained. Six green onions, chopped with some of the green tops for color. One fresh Anaheim or New Mexican chili, seeded and diced. One tablespoon lime juice. Three tablespoons chopped fresh cilantro. One half teaspoon red chili powder. One quarter teaspoon ground cumin powder. Stir all the ingredients together to mix thoroughly. Chill the salsa thoroughly before serving to your guests. Makes 3 cups. Refrigerate any leftovers.
Check out this new tortilla chip recipe.
And I do have a playlist of all my salsa, tortilla chips, Mexican recipes in one place for you. Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another episode.